So the first thing you're going to want to do is get the plate off to get the battery out. So the first thing you're going to do is pop off this little thing here. And then from there you see these two Torx. You see these two Torx screws. You're going to want to remove those with a T5 screwdriver, like this. And then just make sure to put your screwdrivers in a safe place and label where they go so you know where to put them back when you're done. It's a little hard to do while filming, but here we go. And then from there, you're going to want to just carefully pull this off. And it should just pop off like this. And you can see the tabs. Here's the tabs look like underneath. And then from there, you see two Torx screws again, where you will be removing the battery. And then from here, there's a little plate on top of the battery. You use this little ridge here, push back. It'll come off, and then that will allow the battery to be loosened and removed.